Very good afternoon. In this video, I am explaining about some important SQL concepts. Those concepts are used in database management and query optimization. These concepts are helps us to work efficiently with the databases by manipulating and retrieving data efficiently. First, I will discuss about rank versus dense rank. Rank and dense rank both are used for giving ranks. As I rank function assigns a rank uh, rows in a result set. It gives a same rank for equal values, and the next rank simply the next rank will be uh, skip the number of duplicates. The next rank will be given by simply skipping the number of duplicates. The dense rank function is some some little bit different to rank. It also gives a same rank for equal values, but the next rank doesn't skip, it simply increments by 1. For example, if two people have the same score in exam, the rank would assign a same rank for those uh, people. For example, if we think it is given 2 for those two people, the next rank will be 4 because the number of duplicates are skipped. Here, after 2, the number of duplicate is 1. One duplicate is exist. So, the rank skip the 1 rank for the giving next rank. Dense rank. Dense rank also gives the rank 2 for those two people who get the same rank, and the next rank would be B. That means it simply increments by 1. Both the ranks are used to handle the duplicate values effectively. Later, second, having versus where. Having and where both are used to filter the data, but these two are have a little bit difference. Where is used before grouping the data to filter the records, but having is used after the group by operation to filter groups. For example, if we want to filter employees earning more than 50,000 in an employees table, we use the where class. If we want to filter departments that have more than 10 employees, we use the having class. So where filters the data before aggregation, but having filters the data after aggregation. Union versus union are. Union and union are both are used to combine two results from two queries. And these are used to combine the data. Union combines results from two queries and removes duplicate rows. Union all combines results uh, after combining data. Union removes duplicate values. Union also combines uh, data, but it keeps the duplicate rows. For example, employee and manager tables have the same names. By using union, we will see the names only one time, only once at one time. By using union or we show all names even if they have appear more than one time. If we if we want to see unique values, we use union. If we want to see the duplicate values also, we use the union all. Join versus union. Join and union also used to combine the data. Join is used to combine columns from multiple tables based on a common key. It is like a merge operation uh, in the Power BI, Power Query. Union is used to combine rows from multiple tables with a similar structure. For doing union operation, the tables must have a similar structure. It is like a append method in the Power Query editor. For example, if we want to show employees names with their department names, we use a join. For example, we want to see employees' names within their department names. We use a join. If we just want to list all employees and contractor names, we use union. Delete versus drop versus truncate. Uh, Twice these delete, drop, and truncate are used to delete the data. The delete keyword is used for deleting the specific values in a specific rows and values in a table. If we want to come back those tables, uh, they must be come back. Drop is used to delete the data permanently, entire table, including its structure also. Truncate is used to delete the data presented in the table, but the not table itself. After truncate table, the data will disappear, but the table still exists. The table structure still exists. CTE versus temp table. CTE means common table expression. Common CTE is a temporary result set used only within a single query. That means the availability of CTE is only for a single query. After the single query, it won't be work. Temp table creates a physical temporary table that exists for this session. So temporary table valids up to the some specific session. So it is not like a CTE. CTEs are better when we need a temporary query result. If we want to need a temporary query result, CTEs are better. Temp tables are better when storing and modifying data multiple times. If we want to store and modify the data multiple times, it is better to use temp tables. Subqueries versus CTE. Subqueries means placing a one query inside another query is called subqueries. CT means common table expression. Subqueries are queries inside another query. They are useful to filter data dynamically. If we want to filter the data dynamically, we use subqueries. CTs are more readable and reusable than subqueries. For example, if we need to find employees from the sales department, we use a subquery method to find the department ID first, then finds employees. A CD stores the department ID and makes the query more readable. Use subqueries for quick filtering, CTs for better readability. For if we want quick filtering, we use subqueries and CTs are better readability. Seasonal versus quality. Seasonal and Koleski both are used to replace the null values. Seasonal of value comma replacement is replaces the null values with a fixed values. If we set a desired fixed value to replace null values. Koleski is used to return the first non-null value in a list. For example, if a salary column is null, each null of salary comma 0 replaces it with 0. If we want to take salary first, then Koleski, the null values are replaced with the first non-null value. So whatever the first non-null value, the null values are replaced with it. Intersect versus inner join. Intersect versus inner join both are used to return common values, but there is some difference. Intersect returns only common values from two queries. Intersect is used to return common values from two queries. Inner join returns matching rows based on a common column. Based on common column, inner join returns matching rows. For example, if both the employee and manager tables have names, intersect will return names present in both tables. So intersect will return names present in both tables. Inner join will return a detailed information for matching records. So inner join will return detailed information for matching records only. Except versus not in. Except versus not in both are used to filter the data. Except returns rows from first query. So if we write except between two queries, it stop the results from second query. It will return only the rows from the uh, result of first query. Not in filters rows where a column value is not in a given list. By using not in, we filter the data out of in the list to filter the data presented in the list. For example, employees has names, but we exclude names from managers, except will return employees who are not managers. So by using exclude between employees and manager table, we accept the manager tables. Not in of 1, 2, 3 removes record where department ID is 1, 2, 3. So by using not in 1, 2, 3, we remove record where department ID is 1, 2, 3. We covered important SQL concepts including ranking functions, ranking versus dense rank or ranking function, having and per are filtering functions. Join, union are both all are used for combining the data. Delete, drop, truncate are used for deleting the data. CTE and temp table are used for temporary storage. Null handling is for is null and Koleski are used for null handling. Intersect, inner join, except and not in all are the set operations applied on the table. This is about those important SQL concept. I hope this video helps to you better. Thank you.